Let me show you how to create text outline effect in Adobe Illustrator, which can also be editable. Create new document. Follow the settings. Select Rectangle tool. Make a background using Rectangle tool. Select Eyedropper tool and select Color to add background color. You can also choose your own color as you wish. Go to Object. From that select Lock, then Selection to lock background. Select Type tool. Left click to place the text. Hold Shift key and drag to resize text. Place the text accordingly. Select Eyedropper tool to select and add text color. I am using Helene Demo regular font. You can search for it from browser and download it. Select Appearance. If it is not visible, enable it from Windows. Add new stroke. Change stroke color to white. Increase stroke size. Go to Effects. Select Path, from that select Offset Path. Increase offset. Keep joins to round. Click OK. Again, go to Effect. Now select Pathfinder, from that select Add. Our text outline effect is ready. We can also edit text. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments.